Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are at day 41 of 100 days of cloud by cloud. In the day 41 task, we are going to securing the data with AWS KMS. Let's check the task. Before going to do this task, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video with your friends, and also give a thumbs up to this video. Here is the task. We need to create a symmetric KMS key with the provided name to manage encryption and decryption. We need to encrypt the data that was provided on the AWS client by using base64 encode ciphertext. We need to save the encoded information in the encrypted data.bin on the same folder. If we try to decrypt the encrypted data, we need to get the same output as the original file. So let's start the task. Search Key Management Service KMS. Copy the key name, create key, and choose the key type asymmetric, and the key usage encrypt and decrypt. Next, provide the name. Next, choose the current user KK Labs user. Next, again this one also to choose the KK Labs user. Next, now create. The key was created successfully. And this was the file that we need to encrypt. Search AWS CLI KMS. We need for encryption, right? So select encrypt and scroll down to get the example. And here is the example. Copy this. Provide the name, encrypted data.bin, and change the plain text file name, that was sensitive data.txt. Change the key ID that were created before. This is the key ID. Now enter. We will see the encrypted data.bin. Now create the decryption key. Now create the decrypted data. Go back and decrypt, copy the example, decode file encrypted data.bin, change the key ID and the ciphertext blob file. And the file was also encrypted data.bin. Paste. Sorry, we need to create a new file that should be of decrypted data.bin. Decrypted data.bin. Enter. Now we're able to see the three files. If you see the information in the decrypted.data and the original file sensitive data.txt, the both are same. If you want to check it completely, we can use the difference key, decrypt and sensitive data. There is no difference between these two files. So let's check the task. And we are successfully complete this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video.